This is Sarvinas with your B2B Cambodia Market update for April 22, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 1.6 points or 0.39% to 406.99. Total trade volume decreased to 75,251 shares changing hands at a total value of 374.7 million reals or over $93,300. On the main board, 2 stocks were up and 4 were down. Leading the market today was Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, which was up 0.32% or 20 reals to 6,300 reals per share, followed by Credit Twins International up 0.31% or 20 reals to 6,500 reals per share. On the downside, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ dropped 1.41% to 30 reals to 2,100 reals per share, followed by Pastec Cambodia, which dropped 1.14% or 30 reals to 2,600 reals per share. Other stocks that were also down included Sihanoukville Autonomous Port and CamGSM. Additionally, 3 other stocks on the main board remained flat. On the growth board, JS Land dropped 2.48% or 80 reals to 3,150 reals, while DBD Engineering remained flat at 2,100 reals per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 32,742 shares changing hands at a total value of 230.8 million real or over $57,500, accounting for about 43.5% of Tuesday trade volume. CamGSM recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 13,512 shares changing hands at a total value of 32.6 million reals or over $8,100, approximately 7.9% of April 22nd's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to US dollar slightly weakened to 4,004 reals per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up to 98.36. Oil prices climbed on Tuesday as investors took advantage of the previous day's losses to cover short positions. Although concerns persisted over economic headwinds from tariffs and U.S. monetary policy that could dampen fuel demand. Brent crude futures rose 42 cents or 0.6% to $66.68 a barrel. The U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude contract for May, which expires on Tuesday, was $63.53 a barrel, up 45 cents or 0.7%. Gold prices briefly broke about $3,500 per ounce to an all-time high on Tuesday after United States President Donald Trump criticized Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, rattling investors and increasing demand for the safe haven asset. Spot gold was up 0.8%. At $3,452.15 an ounce after earlier rising as far as $3,500.05. US gold futures gained 1.2% to $3,464.50. Stock futures rose earlier Tuesday following a rough day on Wall Street as President Donald Trump's latest criticism of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell drove up uncertainties. At the time of Cambodia's market closing, future tied to Dow Jones Industrial Average added 149 points or 0.39%. SP 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures each gained about 0.5%. This is Sarvinas with your B2B Cambodia Market update for April 22, 2025.